In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to answer your own feedback survey. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Collaboration. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Feedback. Then choose Results from the drop-down menu. First, you need to select a survey to respond to. Click the menu icon next to Results and choose a survey from the list. I'll choose Holiday Party Ideas. Now I can see the results and I can add my own. Go to the top right corner and click on Add. Now I can add results. If I click the drop-down menu, I can choose the person whose results I'd like to enter. I'll scroll down and we'll do Oak Poison. Let's say they want to do a white elephant, and gingerbread house building, they want the 17th, and they didn't have any suggestions for the ugly sweater contest. If I changed my mind and I don't want to add this feedback, I can click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now those results have been added. That's how you can manually enter feedback survey results to TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.